So how could you record a cinematic video on the iPad? Let me explain the whole thing. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one. Okay, so the cinematic video mode is definitely part of the supported iPhones where you go to the camera and switch to a different mode. On the iPads, while we do not have that feature available, so the only way to capture videos which would look more cinematic and professional would be through some sort of video capture app, like a different third-party camera app, which can enhance the quality of the shots that we have. So there are more third-party camera apps. For example, we have the Final Cut camera, which you can get from the App Store for free. It's made by Apple, and it just lets you record videos with all of the manual settings, like adjusting the exposure and focus manually, which makes the videos not, it's not going to replicate the exact cinematic mode from the iPhone, but it's going to look more professional, giving off a better result, right? So that is one way to do it. There are also things or apps like Filmic Pro or Blackmagic Camera, which you can get on the device, usually for free, and try to record videos on the iPad, which are going to look more cinematic and look more professional, but definitely not through the official cinematic mode in the iPad camera. So that is how it works. I just quickly wanted to explain the whole thing. Let me know in the comments below if you have some more questions about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.